We're playing in the rain. Lightning is going off. Another one just went off. It's going to thunder soon.
Take off my shoes.
Yeah, take off your shoes. Oh, rain's slowing down. Hopefully we hear the thunder. Hey, I'm not over there. Want to use the saw one? Yep, you probably did.
9 miles away.
Good girl. Definitely a weather nerd like your mom. Don't know if you heard that thunder. It is pouring cats and dogs and wind. Lucky it's warm rain so you get to play in the rain. This is what we have to deal with.
No.
I'm trying to stay dry. We're getting a severe thunderstorm right now. That's our street. All the mud coming from the mountain. Please, no aftermath.
It's so deep.
Oh my God, look at it. It's a freaking river, dude. Okay, I'm gonna go real quick. I'm gonna go real quick. Don't want to get my phone wet. And my cigarette. Do not step in there, I mean it.
I'm not.
Okay, I'm getting under the house. My phone is soaking wet.